Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.